C'est assez pas tout ça, oui. La mata, pia pia, hata alia, Teine Samoa, wa ofifia. Ea se atu, na te paatu sania, e paatu salia ula, oma kuya pia, iyo kuna oe, iyo oe, Teine Samoa, sinava oe.
Somebody who can love me on my words. Not on my perfect, but I hope you see my words. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I said I do the best.
Black rose in my garden. Where they come from, I don't have got them. My heart is beating. My girl just leave me firm. I got her crying, baby, what did I do? What can I do to let me really lose you? You know I'm crying. Can't you see? I can't go one day without you by me. My pretty little African bride. And then you wonder why your girl be cheating on you. 'Cause you didn't take the time out to say, hey, boo. Baby, how you think wasn't what you've been through? 'Cause that is the right thing to do. Some me greet my girl with a kiss. She greet me with a smile. Some me treat her like a queen of the wild. Good as gosh, she not have no bad file. I like her style. I wouldn't mind she bring forth my child. You should listen to your girl before she lets another man come into our world. Listen to your girl. She prefer attention more than diamonds and pearls.
I need somebody who can love me on my words. Not on my perfect, but I hope you see my words.